Hey guys, so today I'm going to go over just a very quick free way to create a portfolio website using AI, using Claude. So we're going to get started. So I just have the File Explorer open here, and I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it My Portfolio. I'm going to click inside of that folder. I'm going to right click in the background, click Open with Code. Then I get a blank VS Code screen. So if you're not familiar with GitHub Copilot, you can click View, Chat, and then this chat window here on the right will open up. And when this chat window opens up, you can come down here and select Local, Agent, and I like the Claude Sonnet 4.6. We're going to select that. And then we're just going to tell it, hey, I want to build a website using Vite React JavaScript Tailwind and want it to be mobile first and have the qualities of a standard portfolio site that is modern in 2026. We're gonna go with this as our prompt, and then we got no files. This is a blank folder. We're gonna let Claude go, see what Claude can do. So it's asking us for an aesthetic. We'll go dark and minimal. It's asking us for these different pieces. We'll say, sure, we want all of those. And then what is our primary role? You'll say, I'm a software engineer. So our prompt is set, Claude is running, and Claude is creating this site for us. So we'll give it a second here and see what Claude comes up with. So it's neat, you just to feed that prompt into Claude, and then from there, let it do its own work. It'll create a to-do list for you, and then some Node commands. Note that I do have Node.js installed, so it's already all set up on my Windows PC. Gonna click enter there. Use Vite 8 beta. Sure, we'll try that. Install with npm and start now. Yes. So this is running a terminal within Claude. So if you go to terminal here in new terminal, you can run your own terminal, but Claude can also run its own terminal sessions within the GitHub Copilot chat, which is pretty cool. You can see here it's creating the structure. It's creating some stuff for me there, building all the components of the app. Setting up the styling right now. All with my hands up in the air. So what do we have to do nowadays as a software engineer? Something like this. This is 2026. Oh, I gotta click keep. So you'll get charged premium requests, and you're using tokens through Claude. So I have a GitHub Copilot subscription. It's like $10 a month. So this, with my subscription, I get a certain amount of requests. So I usually go over my $10, and you can set a budget on GitHub Copilot to be um, as high as you want to, as much as you want to spend. So I've been spending around um, between 10 and 20 a month with GitHub Copilot. All right, so it's still just doing the work. If we go over here and we look under the, if you're familiar with JavaScript React projects at all, you can see the stuff that's being created. Portfolio, JavaScript. It's creating a nav bar. So we won't necessarily sit here and walk through all this. I'll skip over it. So I may let it run, and I will just not touch the keyboard, and we'll jump back in as soon as it's complete. Once Copilot's been running for a while, it'll ask you if you wanted to continue to iterate. We'll click yes. Keep building my app. All right, now it's running the npm run build to test the build. We'll see we got some errors. So Claude automatically, just in testing, found there was an error in the app.jsx file. So it is fixing, and then we'll run again. Looks like no errors that time. Clean build. Using the npm run dev as the command to run it in the browser. On localhost, usually 5173 port. So boom, look at that. We got a site. We got a site just like that. Check that out. So we can actually go into the terminal here, and we can do npm run dev, and we can run this ourselves. I'm going to hold control, click, and then I pop this as my site up in the browser. So this is the site Claude just built for us. Skills, experience, contact, resume. Um, let's check it out on a small screen. Did it add the mobile nav? Boom, there's the mobile nav and the pieces of the mobile nav. So pretty cool. Claude spun this up in about 10 minutes, somewhere in the realm of 5 to 10 minutes. I think it was about 8 minutes total. So yeah, that's how to use GitHub Copilot and Claude. That's simple to just build a site, and we're running it here locally. So if you guys liked this video and you want to see how to host this for free, I usually host for free with Netlify very simply. So I can show you guys that in another video. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it.